Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today we're gonna do something I've been wanting to do for quite a long time, and that's a reading your comments video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with some of the first ones I've ever gotten. Alright, let's get started. Videos are getting better. Great work. Thanks, Mr. Martin. That means a lot. Thank you. Sorry, 1 second. This device is never on silent. Sister's iPad, right? Alright, so this comment's from when I was looking for an outro song, because I thought I needed one. I don't need one yet. I don't have regularly themed videos yet at all. Outro song. Mary Had a Little Lamb. Public domain, so you can't get busted for having it. I guess it's true. I can't get busted for having it, but it's not my style. I'm more of a... good outro... Jingle Bells, good outro song for future videos. Who is Canoe Kid? Shouldn't you know? Shouldn't you know by now who Canoe Kid is? Ammo Rush says, worst YouTuber ever. Oh my gosh. Lol JK, I really like your video, man. I'm really perplexed on how to feel about this. I'm not sure if I should be super happy that you liked my video, or if I should be, like, offended that I'm the worst YouTuber ever. I like the music, bruh. Thanks. I actually got this comment from, I think it was from class. I looked at it. First of all, don't put your style sheets for your websites in my comments. I don't appreciate it. Also, okay, never mind. This isn't just an entire style sheet. It's one ugly little container thing that he's copied and pasted like 100 times, and I couldn't even get it all in this screenshot. Thanks, Gavin. Okay, this one really made me mad because I thought this guy was legit. I looked him up, I checked his YouTube account. He had some legit looking graphics on there, and when I messaged him on his channel, he never messaged me back. So, what do you know? Spam alert. If iToxic Graphics comments on one of your videos saying he's gonna give you something, he's lying. Okay. On to more spam news. If you get anything from Josh Adams or Elijah Wireman saying they loved your vlog and blah blah blah, welcome to the wonderful world of vlogging, don't believe them. So I'll see you in the next video. If you want more, like or comment, hopefully both. I don't care, do what you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. As you can tell, I'm amazing at this game. 10 out of 10 IGN.